Bonjour classe, bienvenue à notre Google Classroom pour l'année scolaire 2020 à 2021. On y va? Welcome. I am Madame Moore. I am your professeur de français for this exciting, not at all strange and stressful school year. I'm coming to you from my little corner of the world, otherwise known as the French bubble. And it is a well-known fact that there is no trouble in the French bubble. Now, is this school year starting out a little bit weird? Yes. Is the outside world kind of an unsettling place right now? Yes. Are we going to be learning and working through and troubleshooting all kinds of new tech this year? Also, yes. Am I worried about any of this? Absolutely not. Pas de problème, because there's no trouble in the French bubble. We're all in this together, you guys. So my approach for this year is let's just see what happens and work together and learn some French. Take some time during the next couple days before school starts, log in to your email, check the Google Classroom codes, and just see what Google Classroom has to offer. Then get ready for our first Zoom meeting on the first day of school. For hours 1, 3, 5, and 7, that's going to be September 1st. For hours 2, 4, 6, and 8, that's September 2nd. You guys, I'm so excited to see you all, to bring you here into the virtual French bubble for these first few weeks of school and maybe even beyond. It's going to be a great year. No matter how we start out, we're going to make this happen. So, see you then on the first day of school. Until then, à bientôt et au revoir.